Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar with Mobility for Life Chiropractic and Sports Medicine, and today we're going to be treating Carolina Romero, the fit golfer girl who's been dealing with some neck and shoulder issues, and we're going to take her through our little process of chiropractic first, then progressive rehabilitation to see what we can do to help her out. If you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and comment button so you can see our future treatment videos. Okay, so neck and shoulder stuff, huh?
Yes.
Why don't we have you lay on your back? Now what I'm going to do here, Carolina, is I'm going to be doing certain muscle tests.
Yes.
And I'm going to find out which muscles are firing, which ones are not firing, and that's going to tell me which segments I should consider adjusting as a chiropractor, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And you got these nice and tight traps that, as you say, overdeveloped.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been dealing with this stuff for how long?
Forever.
Forever.
Yeah, since I was a little kid.
Okay. So I'm starting off with a little bit of soft tissue treatment. This is called active release technique. And I'm feeling for any excessive tension in the muscles. And there's certainly a little bit in there that we're releasing. We'll let it go.
Good.
A lot of chiropractors really focus on just the adjustment. I like doing adjustments to the joints as well as treating the muscles and soft tissues because I find we get better results that way. Good. All right, so Carolina, we'll put your head over here. So I'm going to do a muscle test where I push your head away from your shoulders like that. So don't let me do that.
Okay,
Ready?
yeah.
Go.
Oh, got it.
Ready? Go.
Yes.
Good, nice and strong. We'll do over here. Ready? Go.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's do this one again. Go. I think they're nice and strong. Very good. Now we'll bring your elbows up. Hold it right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to push down.
Got
Don't let me do that.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Go. Awesome. Bring your elbows in front by your side. Make a fist. I'm going to push your elbows down towards the table. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. A little bit weak. Let's relax this arm. I'm going to just check this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Again, pushing down towards the table. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Very strong. Okay. Palm down, elbow locked. I'm going to pull your arm out here towards me like that. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Nice. Okay. Let's bend your elbow. Bring it into your side. I'm going to pull your elbow out here towards me.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Very strong. I like it. Your thumb and your pinky, I'm going to pull them apart.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let me do that. Ready? Go.
Mm-hmm.
And again. Not so great, huh?
No.
Okay. So that means there might be some possible dysfunction of her C8 or T1 nerve roots, which come out of the lower part of her neck. So let's see if by adjusting that area, we can get those areas to behave a little bit better. So what I'm going to do, I'll bring you over here, and then I will, oh, it just went, did it?
Yep.
Okay, good. Now, I'm going to pull your thumb away from your pinky. Don't let me.
Much better.
Much stronger, huh?
Yep.
All right, very good. Now what I want to do, make a fist here. I'm going to push down. Don't let me do that. Go. Nice and strong. I'm going to push this way. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. I'm going to push that way. Don't let me go. Beautiful. Okay. We'll check out your other side here. Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Don't let me go. Nice and strong. Palm down, elbow locked. I'm going to pull out towards me. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Not so strong, right?
Yep.
All right, so let's figure out why. Make a straight hand. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Pretty strong. Pushing. Don't let me go. Okay. Bend your wrist here, and I'm going to push like that. Don't let me. Go. Good. Now extend it. Push and don't let me. All right. Pretty good. I'm going to push down. Don't let me do that. Go. And again, not so good. Okay. So let's see here. I'm going to adjust your mid-back. Sometimes if the mid-back doesn't move very well, it doesn't let the shoulder. So we'll bring you back over here. Breathe out. Good. Okay. And let's see if that made a difference or not. Pushing down. Don't let me. Go. Still no. Okay. Scooch down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do an adjustment to your shoulder. I'll bring it right in here and thrust right in there like that. Good. Hold it right here. Pushing down. Don't let me. Ready? Go.
Better.
Much stronger, huh? Good. Thumb and pinky, I'm going to pull them apart. Don't let me. Doesn't like that one, does it?
Nope, I hate that one.
So we might be finding the dysfunctional part of your neck here all the way down low here. So drop it here and I'll do... Good. Good. Thumb and pinky, and that one went too before the adjustment. Good. Much better.
Yep.
Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Don't let me. So a little weak on this side. Girdle adjustment. So put your right palm in your ear. Okay. So I'm adjusting your ribs underneath your shoulder blade because your serratus anterior wasn't firing. So I'm going to drop down like that. Don't let me. Deep breath. Breathe out. Good. Okay. Make a fist. Pushing down. Don't let me.
Yeah, much better.
Rock solid, huh?
Yeah.
I'm going to push that way. Don't let me. Ready, go. And that way. Don't let me go. Good. Okay.
That was awesome.
So that's your upper body part. Now we're
Yes.
going to check out your lower body. How your lower body impacts your neck and shoulders big time because it's all connected. So, you know, for a fit golfer girl, you don't have great right hip internal rotation.
Gotten better, believe it or not.
Yeah. So I'm going to mobilize the head of your right hip here to see if we can't help out. That's a little bit better already. Then we're going to do an adjustment. Scooch down just a couple inches. Good. Good. Okay, muscle test. I'm going to push here, down like that. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. And again. Not so good, huh?
No.
Okay. Pushing here. Ready? Go. A lot stronger on the left side. So turn on this side. Let's see what we can do. All right. So your hip flexors are controlled by a number of nerves, but one of the main ones is L2. So I'm going to grab your L2 vertebrae here and give it an adjustment. And effectively, that kind of presses the reset button on the area. Good. Good. Lay on your back.
I cracked before you began.
Almost every segment has been waiting to go, right? Pushing here. Don't let me. Go.
That's so much better.
Much, much stronger. Good. Pushing down and out. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Not so good. Down and out. Don't let me. Again. A little stronger on that side.
But not really.
Okay. So turn on your side. Face this way. Good. So now we'll go with L3, which controls those hip adductors that were a little bit weak. Good. Lay on your back. Pushing down. Don't let me. Go. Much better, yes?
Yep.
Pushing down.
Yep.
Good. I'm going to push down and in. Don't let me. Good. Down. Ah. Turn and face this way. Good. So that was your TFL and hip abductors. So the L5 segment and nerve root are big controllers of that. Turn your head towards me. Good. Yeah. Good. Okay, lay on your back. pushing down and in. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Much better.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're done with the chiropractic treatment, and we're going to go do the progressive rehabilitation.
Got it.
Come on up. So we're going to do a little bit of neck shoulder assessment to actually see how you move your neck and shoulders,
Okay.
not just what I feel over there.
Got it.
Okay. So bend one knee. Good. And what I want you to do, keep your teeth together, touch your chin all the way up to your chest and down. Do you feel any stiffness, discomfort, forcing, pulling, anything? Or is that fine?
It's okay.
Okay. Rotate your head to the right as far as you can. Good. All the way. And now all the way to the left. Good. So it looks to me like you going to the left is the most stiff and limited of the three. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So go back to neutral. And you felt what it felt like to do the left neck rotation, okay? So let's just test something out here. Put your arm here like this. Make a fist. And I'm going to push down. So just resist me like you are. And now rotate your head to the left as far as you can. And back to neutral. And relax. Did you go a little bit better there?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So this is going to be your exercise. So can you take your watch off? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a weight in your hand, and you're just going to hold it up there and not drop it. And that's going to activate a lot of stabilizing forces in your neck and your core. And then once you turn those on first, and then move your neck into that, what we would call dysfunctional movement, it improves it.
Got it.
So this is going to be your corrective exercise. Now you're pretty strong, so I think you can handle a 25-pounder. So don't drop that on your face.
Touch.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Now rotate to the left as far as you can. Good, and back to neutral.
That's better.
Good. Now keep doing this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my thumbs right above your pelvis here, and what I want you to do is when you inhale, I want you to push my fingers out.
When I inhale.
Yeah. There it is, and back. But make this one a little bit more active. And back. Good. Keep that weight stable. Notice how this one's very active, and this is not.
Yeah, I have to
This
focus
is,
on it. I have to
yeah,
focus on it.
good. That was better. Good. And now you can do that on your own, especially there. Find your hip bone and go right above it. And I would just use one or two fingers. Good, so it's a little easier. Good. So we're going to do 10 repetitions. And when you go home on your own, you're going to do these 3 times a day. I would recommend you do these before, like as a warm-up, before you're golfing or doing anything else active. Kind of preps you.
Is this the hip flexor?
Well, it's the hip flexor. It's also the transverse abdominis, external oblique, internal oblique, all those core muscles that we want to make sure are active when you're moving your body. Good. So I like that. Another thing I want to check is just your shoulder motion in general, because your shoulders impact your neck so much. So why don't you put your left arm back all the way? Good. And that's as far as it can go, huh? So it's a little stiff, yes?
Yep.
What do you feel right now?
I mean, I guess I feel a little stretch in my lap.
Okay.
Yeah, like here.
That's the limiting factor.
Yeah, I
Any
don't-
discomfort in the shoulder joint?
No.
Okay. And now the other side. And it's even worse.
Same thing, lap. It's all lap. Like side of my body, like rotator cuff area here. Lap.
Okay.
Nothing really in the chest.
So from where I'm sitting, the right shoulder is more limited than the left.
Yes.
So it feels that way too. So I'm going to address our attention on your right shoulder here. So put it down all the way. Now here's what I'm going to do. I want you to squeeze your whole left arm down into the table. I'm going to lift up, and you're going to not let me.
Got it.
Good. So get that engagement, which you've got perfectly. Make sure your breathing is relaxed. And now I want you to bring your right arm back as far as you can. And down. I couldn't tell a difference. Could you tell a difference? Okay. So that's not the right strategy for you. Let's check something else out. Make a fist. I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier. I'm push down. Good. And now right arm all the way.
That's a little more.
It's a little bit more.
Yeah.
And back. Good. All right. I like a little bit more, but we're going to go for a lot more. Bend your knees. Good. I'm going to put my fist in between your knees. Try to break my fist.
Got it.
Go for it. Now hold on, you weren't breaking my fist. So come on down. Really get that nice and strong. Ready?
Mm-hmm. That's better, but still not like
Not amazing.
significantly different. Also, that did not feel good.
Yeah, it was pretty weak, wasn't it? That's pretty interesting. So here's what I'm going to do.
I got almost got like a sharp pain, like here.
Yeah, in your pelvis.
Yes.
I bet. So I'm going to try to pull your legs apart.
Yes.
Don't let me do that. Ready, go. Good, again. All right, that was a little bit better.
Yeah, but still, I felt like a sharp pain right here.
Okay. All right, so
Not like sharp pain, bad pain, but like it didn't feel great. I was like, ooh.
Sure. Okay. Straighten your left leg. Raise it up 2 inches. A little less than 2 inches, or less than that. Good. Now right arm. And down. Nothing was really doing it, huh? So it's really, you can put that down. So it was really this pushing down. That really made the biggest difference. Would you agree?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go back. I'll put the weight in your hand. Hold that. Don't drop it on your face. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, I like it if it's right here. That's a little bit more neutral for your shoulder joint. Aha. That's part of this.
So like stability, huh?
Yeah. All right. Now right arm. Yeah, that's better. And down. So give me 10 of these.
Yes.
And as if you don't have enough to think about,
Yep.
press my finger out. But don't hold your breath like you just did.
Yeah.
Good. Go 1 degree further every rep. You're kind of holding your breath. So it's okay to exhale during the second half of the movement. Yeah. So that's the corrective exercise we're going to give you. Okay? Relax. So I don't want to give you too many things to worry about. But if we do the neck rotation with holding the arm bar on the left, that's going to help your neck to move a little bit better. And then we're going to get a little bit better shoulder flexion on the right side. Better your shoulders are moving, the less stress is going to be on your neck. And that's going to be how we're going to retrain your motor control or how you control and move your body. So we did the chiropractic first with the adjustments to press the reset button. And then with the progressive rehabilitation, you're getting particular exercises that you're looking to be better at. And next visit, when you come back, I expect you to be better then than you are right now. Okay?
Love that.
So that's how we do it here at Mobility for Life. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.